Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Base44 AI review. Scam or legit? Let's review Base44 AI. Is it a scam or legit? Launched in late 2024, Base44 is a no-code AI-powered platform that lets non-technical users create web and mobile app simply by typing conversational prompts, no coding required. In early 2025, it was acquired by Wix for around 80 million, adding significant credibility. That platform instantly generates your app's front end, backend, database, authentication, hosting, and integrations, earning the nickname ChatGPT for app building. It offers lightning fast prototyping and built-in backend infrastructure, though it does not have some drawbacks like limited design flexibility, vendor lock-in risks, and occasional support issues. Importantly, its legitimacy is confirmed by the Wix acquisition, positive user reviews, and real case studies. While a serious authentication flaw was discovered in July 2025, Wix patched it within 24 hours with no evidence of exploitation. In short, Base44 is a legitimate, innovative tool delivering on its promise of fast app creation for non technical users. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.